I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Love Story on drums. To start, establish a solid foundation with a consistent tempo of about 119 beats per minute. Focus on a steady kick drum on beats 1 and 3, paired with a clear snare hit on beats 2 and 4. Keep a flowing eighth note rhythm on your hi-hat, ensuring a smooth and even feel throughout. This basic groove sets the stage for the entire song. Moving into the verse, keep the groove light and airy, sometimes adding an open hi-hat on the and a 4 for a subtle lift. Incorporate soft ghost notes on the snare drum to enhance the rhythmic texture without overpowering the vocals. As you approach the pre-chorus, increase the intensity by playing more consistent eighth notes on the hi-hat, culminating in a strong crash cymbal on the first beat to signal the build-up. For the powerful chorus, switch to a driving rock beat, emphasizing a strong backbeat on the snare. Consider moving to the ride cymbal, playing steady quarter notes to create a fuller, more expansive sound. The bridge section offers a dynamic contrast. Try a more open feel, incorporating accents on the floor tom to create a spacious, emotional texture. Remember to vary your dynamics, playing softer in the bridge and gradually building intensity. To add flair, integrate simple, 2-beat drum fills using your snare and tom drums. Place these fills strategically, perhaps before a new section or at the end of a musical phrase, to create smooth transitions. The song's conclusion, or outro, typically involves a gradual fade-out of the main groove or a final, impactful hit to end with a flourish. Remember to practice regularly with the original recording to perfect your timing and overall feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.